Controller drift can be frustrating, but there are simple steps you can take to disable it and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to address the issue effectively. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website or use the console settings to check for any available updates that may fix drift issues. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Make sure to remove any particles that may be interfering with the sensors. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the game settings and look for controller options. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the input is registered. Step 4. Reset the controller. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve issues. Turn off your controller, then press and hold the reset button usually located on the back for a few seconds. Reconnect it to your console or PC and test for drift. Step 5. Replace or repair. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, consider replacing the analog sticks or seeking professional repair services. Sometimes hardware issues require more extensive fixes. By following these steps, you can effectively disable controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. Remember to regularly maintain your controller to prevent future issues.